It's obvious that every pharma company is now focusing on the patient far more than they ever have done, I would say. But at the same time, if everybody's doing it, is there a differentiator? Is there something more that a company can do? So I'm just wondering where you think, beyond the patient almost, where the industry could go.
Well, first of all, I think there is, tons to be done, and the tons is because I'm very excited about where the industry stands, because the science have never been so exciting, and on the other hand, the social media and the internet gives a unique voice to the patient. Up until now, for many years, we had the excuse we can't talk to patients, which is not true. We could not talk about our drugs, or even in the US we could, but at least in a controlled way. But you can talk, anybody can talk to patients. So, there are, but the key and the excitement is really this, the discovery of the genome 12 years ago is a symbol. And as you know, given the timelines that it takes from our industry, I really believe that it's happening now. The example of PCSK9, or for UCB, the sclerostin antibody, the ability to discover in rare population a gene defect, and where you're going to absolutely correct maybe the opposite disease that rare population has, is absolutely remarkable. And for me opens new avenues, the immunotherapy in cancer, not the old way through vaccines, but through this novel targeted mechanism is absolutely transforming, right? I mean, we could potentially eradicate some cancers. This is remarkable. And so it's the connection between this genuine drive to impact the patient's life with the science. And you can't just, that's why every company has a chance, as long as you focus in a disease area where you're better than the others in both the science and understanding patients' needs and being close to patients. And so it's really that connection. It's not just the patients, and because the patients, we have to satisfy their needs. So we can do that by better communicating about the solutions that we provide, but the end results, we have to provide them with better solutions. And the solution is not just the pill or the injection. The solution is the patient at the end of the day, is she or he healed? So it's all about, am I taking my medicine? Do I understand also my disease? Do I understand how to manage my disease? And the treatment, the pill and or the injection is part of that management of my disease, but it's broader than that. And I think also I'm excited because, everybody in the industry say, yeah, I mean, that's the way where everybody is going, I think.
So you're quite confident about the future of this industry
I'm
and
very
its
optimistic.
ability to have a seat at the table when it comes to deciding major healthcare decisions,
Yes.
about having the trust and respect that it needs from customers and other stakeholders?
I think the trust will happen, and we come back to the previous comment, on when every decision is being made in the interest of patients, and when really people then are convinced, and there is some leap of faith initially, that if you deliver superior value to patients, you deliver superior value to shareholders. But it's not the other way around. You can't set yourself a goal of, I'm going to deliver superior value to shareholders, and I do this patient thing because it's a good thing to get there. It's exactly the other way around.